What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of the high mileage E46 M3. And today you join me in the front seat of the Fiat Punto, trusty old Fiat Punto. Today we're going to pick up the car. I've dropped it off at the place called CPC Engineering. They've diagnosed the car and they did say that it was VANOS related problems. They've sorted that out now. They've carried the work out. I look forward to getting the car and seeing if it makes any difference. I hope that there's going to be no problems at all. I'll get into the cost of everything and how much everything costs. We'll put that in another video. Bit of rally driving in the Fiat Punto. Like I said, it was a bit low on power. They've diagnosed the car and they did say it was VANOS problems. There was no rattling, there was no noise like that, but turns out that it doesn't always have to have rattle and stuff for VANOS issues. The engine light was on. So I'm hoping that now that the car is sorted and they've replaced the part they need replacing for the VANOS, I'm hoping that the car is going to go on and do another good 50,000 miles or more without any more problems, because I can't be dealing with having any more problems with it. The car is in really good condition and I want to kind of start modding the car, doing a bit of custom exhaust pipe, getting stuff like that sorted on the car, rather than paying for stuff to get fixed, because I mean there's no fun in that at all. I like modding the car, you know, getting some exhaust pipes, suspension, and stuff like that. I will be doing a service on the car. I've ordered all the parts that we need, so I'm going to full service the car. After that, I'm going to detail the car after that, and I'm really looking forward to that. So I mean, I do enjoy cleaning my cars and stuff like that, and my bikes and stuff. I really enjoy doing that, so I'm really looking forward to it. So hopefully now that the car is sorted, we'll have all the power back and I can actually enjoy the car and get some more footage out on the car. So looking forward to that. But for now, I'm just around the corner from the place. Wish me luck, and hopefully the car doesn't play up anymore, so we can get down on modifying the car, getting suspension for the car and everything else, because I'm just looking forward to enjoying the car for the summer and getting a couple more videos out. So anyways, let's get the car. Look what we got here. Time to pick up my baby and see if she's got all her horses back. Can't wait to replace that bumper. Right, let's go get the keys and test her out. What's going on YouTube? And welcome back to the driver's seat of the E46 M3. So we've had the VANOS replaced. I'm hoping that we got all our ponies back. The car seems to be alright when I give it a bit of revs, but the proof is when we drive, so let's find out how it's going to work. Seems to have some power. Seems to scream a lot. Well, let's go get some petrol, fill her up and see how she's gonna drive. Thank you. Yeah, she's got ponies back. look forward to getting it cleaned up as well. So that's going to be another good video. Cool, let me fill it up and get into the video. Okay, so we got some petrol. Time to get on the road and give her a shakedown. Let's hope she's got her power back. Seems to be running nice though. Knock me back in my seat there. Right. Yeah, she's definitely got her ponies back. Much better than how I felt. Absolutely better, mate. The car is running perfect now, but that's just the first pull. I've got to check it out really good now. I'm going to flip the camera around and we're going to go for a little tester. It seems to have its power back. Apparently the VANOS was not even functionable, so I mean that explains the loss of power. The car didn't feel like it was going to go anywhere. But now she's screaming again. I think today I'm going to treat her with a nice exhaust pipe. Right, let's get into the video. Well, given the car test, it seems like she's absolutely flying now, so I'm really happy about that. Time to service the car. So in tomorrow's video, we're going to service the car. I'm going to give it a full service, filters, oil, spark plugs, everything. Can't wait. Brakes seem to be a bit like, get a lot of brake fade actually, so I'm going to make sure I change them pads. The discs are absolutely alright, so definitely going to change them pads. Look forward to it. I've just ordered an exhaust pipe. I can't wait for that to come, so that's going to be something really cool to look forward to. Alright guys, well, next video, service and a full detail. Check you out then.